judge is a cum laude graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Central Philippine University in Haro, Iloilo. She also has units in Master of Arts in Nursing in St. Jude College, Manila, and National Review Expert for Nurse and Midwifery Licensure Examination for 17 years. She has been associated to certain review centers in the Philippines and exclusively teaching in top-rank Review Center Academy. An internal review specialist for National Council Licensure Examination for nurses who wants to work in the United States of America and practical nurses in Canada for 15 years. She's also conducting tutorial and emergency preparedness training for future nurses and midwives all over the country. An active member of the Philippine Nurses Association Iloilo chapter, an advocate for the anti-bullying, especially for the LGBTQIA+ community, and an officer of the LGBTQIA+ community Bula chapter. A developer of GAKUS charity, which believes that faith and love is a way to genuinely embrace the world. And now, she will be starting her content about nursing and midwifery lecture videos, which will focus on the innovative and creative way of learning through her YouTube channel, Nars Jane the Witch, which we are all encouraged, by the way, to like and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Nars Jane, or Miss Jane Panya Fuentes. Third judge